It is I would say, the deepest wish that I share with many of you, that we can return democracy, restore democracy in this island, on this island, as soon as possible. This is not only something that I truly believe because I'm a true believer in democracy, but I also see that you are willing to get this process not only going, but make it finalize and return democracy on the island again. I am very happy with the work that has been done in the past years by loads of people, but I also see that now is the time to move forward and return to a normal democracy in a normal fashion that you were used to, and that we're used to in many other places in our kingdom. In order to achieve that, and I'm very happy that you have read the outcome of this process, the mediation between the government commissioners and also the Island Council has led to an agreement. And this afternoon, we talked to and with both the commissioners and the Island Council, and agreed on a step also for the last item that the mediation process did not finalize on. So I believe that we're now on the right track of restoring democracy as soon as possible. This will mean that by the end of this year, the commissioners will be appointed. So there's a first step. Then, of course, there's going to be elections in the start of next year, and we also agreed on that we are going for a process that will lead to the restoration of the budget rights of the council, the new council that will be elected coming year. So I'm very happy that process is taking place. There still needs to be There's still work that needs to be done. I know I'm also supported very much not only by you and by the Island Council and by the commissioners, but also by the members of the Tweede Kamer in the Netherlands, who are also looking at this process very closely. So I'm happy that we are where we are. We're not there yet, but we're close, and we made, I believe, very good agreements on setting the right steps in order to return to a normal democracy on Statia, where you as a people can not only elect who represent you, but those representatives have the full possibilities also to do their work and have all the rights and responsibilities, of course, to get that going.